The 50 UF controls the compressor, while the 2 UF controls the outdoor fan. That's how far the capacitor can run. Then the capacitor has a space of about plus or minus 5. So if you want to adjust the usage of this capacitor, you can add up a microfarad is about 5% higher or 5% lower than the rated capacity there, than the rated micro UF, and it must rate around 50 to 60 hertz. 50 to 60 hertz. That's the frequency of the electricity we use here in our own country. The 50 UF controls the compressor, while the 2 UF controls the outdoor